We're recording now.
It's Subway's birthday today.
Oh, whose birthday is it?
It's Caddy's.
Auntie Callie's? Where is she?
Hers, and there play the game.
Really?
Are you sure?
Okay,
Are you
after
sure?
I get Yep.
100% really sure.
Yep.
Do you know what Auntie Callie looks like?
Yes.
What does she look like? Well, you describe her to me. What does she look like? Does she wear glasses?
Yes.
Okay. What color shirt is she wearing?
It is right there. It's right there. And then a pink shirt. And arms. And hers like there. Right there. Do you see how beautiful those